I'm sure you've heard the news. The future is here, and it's electrifying. On this channel we dive deep into the world of electronics repair and reviews, making tech accessible and exciting for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, we've got something for you. From fixing your broken gadgets to reviewing the latest tech, we cover it all with a beginner-friendly approach. Imagine fixing that old smartphone yourself, or knowing which gadget is worth your hard-earned money. Join our growing community of tech lovers where learning and fun go hand in hand. With easy-to-follow tutorials, in-depth reviews, and a splash of humor, you'll be empowered to tackle electronics like a pro. So, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because you won't want to miss our upcoming videos. Let's explore, repair, and reimagine the world of electronics together. Welcome to Electrotechnics, your go-to for electronics. Join our growing community of tech lovers where learning and fun go hand in hand. How factories humming with activity, traffic lights orchestrating the flow of vehicles, or roller coasters with their thrilling twists and turns run so smoothly and safely? It's not magic, it's automation. The silent force behind efficiency, powered by a special robust computer called a PLC or Programmable Logic Controller. Picture a bottling plant, a symphony of moving parts, thousands of bottles filled, capped, and labeled with incredible precision, all without human hands directly involved. So, what's running the show, coordinating this complex dance? The PLC, the secret brain, the unsung hero working behind the scenes, ensuring everything runs like clockwork? Unlike your home computer, which might crash if you spill coffee on it, PLCs are built to thrive in tough, noisy, and often messy industrial environments where dust, vibrations, and extreme temperatures are the norm. They're designed for reliability, working non-stop 24/7 to keep everything running smoothly and efficiently. Imagine trying to control a complex roller coaster with a bank of switches and a team of people. Utter chaos. A recipe for disaster. A PLC does it all reliably in one compact box, making critical decisions in milliseconds, ensuring safety and efficiency. So next time you step into an elevator, smoothly ascending or descending, drive through a car wash, getting a sparkling clean, or watch your baggage claim working perfectly at the airport, delivering your luggage right on time. Remember, a PLC is the invisible intelligence, the silent partner, making it all happen seamlessly. These aren't ordinary computers you'd find on a desk. They're purpose-built for control, designed for the rigors of industrial automation. They are the foundation of automation, the bedrock upon which modern industry is built. Without PLCs, the workhorses of automation, our modern, interconnected world as we know it would grind to a screeching halt. PLCs, 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 the unsung heroes of our automated world. So, what exactly is a PLC? What does it do? And why is it so important in the world of automation? Well, the acronym PLC stands for Programmable Logic Controller. It's essentially a specialized, ruggedized, programmable computer that's designed to control machines and industrial processes. The programmable part means you can load specific sets of instructions into it. Logic signifies that it operates based on predefined rules and conditions that you program. And controller means it can directly manage and operate things like motors, lights, conveyor belts, and so much more within an automated system. Think of it as the industrial brain, housed safely in a protective box or cabinet. Unlike your everyday computer, there's no screen or keyboard. Instead, it uses direct wire connections for inputs from sensors and outputs to control devices. PLCs are built to survive in harsh conditions where regular computers would quickly fail. That includes extreme heat, constant vibration, excessive dust, and disruptive electrical noise. Before the advent of PLCs, controlling machines required massive control panels filled with complex wiring and numerous relays. Changing any part of the control logic meant painstakingly rewiring the entire system. Now, with PLCs, you can simply update the control program. This incredible flexibility is a key reason why PLCs are absolutely essential in modern manufacturing and automation. In short, a PLC constantly reads data from sensors, processes that information to make intelligent decisions based on its programming, and then controls machines and processes accordingly. It does all of this reliably, all day, every day. It's the crucial bridge connecting the world of digital code with the real, physical world of industrial automation. That's science and engineering working together in perfect harmony. How does a PLC work? It's a lightning-fast loop. Input, process, output. Inputs are like senses. Buttons, switches, sensors. Feeding info to the PLC. The PLC's brain, CPU, runs a program. If this, then that. It checks all inputs, follows the logic, and decides what to do. Outputs are the muscles, motors, lights, valves activated by the PLC's decisions. Example: a sensor detects a box on a conveyor. The PLC checks if the start button is pressed and the safety gate is closed. If yes, it starts the motor. This cycle, sense, think, act, repeats thousands of times per second. That's how machines respond instantly and precisely. Simple, powerful, and everywhere. That's the magic of PLCs. Let's take a look at a real-world application to see a PLC in action. We're going to examine a common sight, a traffic light at an intersection. These lights are crucial for managing traffic flow. The PLC's primary job is to keep traffic moving safely and efficiently. It prevents accidents and keeps everyone on schedule. It relies on a timer to manage the duration of the green light for the main street. And it also uses a sensor, often an inductive loop, to detect vehicles waiting on the side street. The PLC constantly checks these inputs, asking, has the main street's green light timer reached its end? And is there a car waiting patiently on the side street? If a car is detected by the sensor, the PLC initiates the light change sequence, preparing to switch the lights. If no car is waiting, the main street's green light remains active, allowing traffic to flow smoothly. The PLC precisely controls the red, yellow, and green lights, managing the entire cycle, ensuring that conflicting directions of traffic from perpendicular streets never receive a green light simultaneously, preventing collisions. It's a simple, yet incredibly safe, and remarkably efficient system. All of this is made possible thanks to the reliable PLC. That's smart automation at work, making our daily lives safer and more convenient. Next time you find yourself stopping at a red light, take a moment to think about the PLC diligently running the show behind the scenes, ensuring your safety and keeping traffic flowing. Why do PLCs matter? Because they're everywhere, sorting packages, running elevators, powering factories, and more. Without PLCs, factories would be slower, less safe, and more expensive. Our world would be less efficient. PLCs drive innovation, managing smart grids, building wind turbines, optimizing water use, and recycling. They help us tackle big challenges, making life safer and greener. A PLC turns an engineer's plan into flawless, repeatable action. Millions of times. From food to clean water to transportation, PLCs are vital. So next time you see a machine working perfectly, remember the little gray box, the PLC, making it all possible. Science is everywhere.